Hi guys, sorry about this. um, you guys might have actually just seen what has happened. My entire game just crashed, so I had to reboot the whole computer. I have lost all my progress, so yeah, I will be playing 7th Street. Wow. What do I think of the game crash? Very unexpected. Yeah, thanks a lot, 7th Street. Thanks a lot. But now maybe I think that's kind of what I deserve for calling the game stupid. And when I was saying that the map, I better not insult the game again, because otherwise it will crash. So yeah. So yeah. Apparently technology has feelings. Yeah. Just to say, guys, do not insult technology. It will have its moments with you, like it just had its moments with me. Very predictable game crashes. That's actually happened twice now. Not on Slender Shadows, on one of the other games being Slender the 8 Pages. I don't know why the game just crashed then. It was quite funny though. I have to admit that was actually fucking unexpected. It was. Oh god, I'm stuck down here. As I was saying, do not insult technology, as technology does have feelings. Apparently. Oh bloody hell! That was probably one of the most funniest game crashes I have ever recorded. It was probably well worth it as well at the same time. But now that I say it though, it wasn't even that. Sometimes you got to act like kind of mature, like when playing video games. Oh, here's a page. 4 out of 6. Okay. Oh shit, man. Fuck. Come on. Why is my light not coming back on? There we go. Uh-oh. Bollocks. I'm fucking stuck. Okay. So somewhere where I've not been. I might have to die at this point because I literally can't find the last page. Guys, I'm stuck on God knows what. Okay, this is the main street. Is it the main street? Yeah, probably somewhere in the middle. Probably in the middle somewhere. Whoa, careful. Very funny. But yeah, unfortunately I do apologise. Unfortunately, the game crash was kind of funny, but it kind of it was and it wasn't. But I don't know if I accidentally broke the game. Usually I do find ways to breaking things though, seriously. Not like that though, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I don't usually like to break video games like this, but unfortunately I accidentally did. Why do I have to keep going on about this? It's not even that funny anyway. I was kind of pissed when the game broke on me. What do you expect? What do you expect? You fucking worked hard on that shit, and then next thing you know, the fucking game just bloody broke on me. Like what do you expect? Hey, what do you expect? Hey, what do I bloody expect? Okay, so we're gonna come down here. Oh god. Oh fuck. 4. Okay. Right. Oh shit. Right, he's right there. He's right there. So we'll just have to make sure we can get out of sight. Okay. Oh shit. Careful. Oh fuck, where's that last page? Shit. Found it. Okay. Right, this should be the... Yes! Beat 7th Street. Oh. Right. Okay guys, that was 7th Street. If you guys want me to play any more of these Slender Shadows maps, please let me know in the comments below. We have done... So we've beat the 6th map. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so we beat the 6th map on this game. If you guys want me to play any more challenging ones, then please hit me up in the comments below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching, and I shall catch you guys in the next episode. Bye bye guys.